Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix DraftKings lineup not submitted. So to fix a DraftKings lineup that won't submit, first try enabling the location services. DraftKings legally requires precise location verification to process submission. So just go to your device settings and then search for location services. Make sure that the location services is turned on. Then scroll down to find DraftKings and make sure that the location access is set to always and the precise location is turned on. Now the next what you can do is go back and go to General. Then go to iPhone Storage and scroll down to find DraftKings, or you can just simply search for DraftKings in your search bar. Then tap Upload App and then immediately reinstall it. Now the next what you can do is check the salary cap. Verify your roster is exactly at or under the $50,000 salary cap and fulfills all positional requirements for the specific contest. Now the next what you can do is remove locked players. You cannot submit or edit lineups if any selected players game has already started. Just create a fresh lineup using only players with upcoming games. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next